Hello everybody and welcome to a vibrant program on jackets, shawls, winter wear, pashmina saris and many more. So watch till the end, you will love the episode of mixed bag collection of winter wear. Sanskriti Kolkata, myself Lalia Dattagupta, and this episode is 197th episode. First product, these are shawls which are embroidered. Very pretty work. Standard length and the width is little more than the stoles. See the work. Kashmiri work in the full. These are the texture of the shawl. Firstly, these are like pashmina, but of course these are not original pashminas. These are cotton pashminas where you can even wear it as a style statement. You can use it as wall hanging, ideal for gifting also, and these are very reasonably priced. During wedding we need to gift so many people. Now see the work. 2450, product number 1, 2450 rupees, product number 1. Product number 2, a similar combination but slightly different, hence I am showing you. That was more of red, now this is more of orangish peachish color. Now I'll put one on myself, you can understand the length. Basically these are, you just have to just put it this way. Anything, even with denims, this look very nice. Westerns, very pretty, very are all same price, 2450 rupees. All over Kashmiri embroidered shawls. Number 3, this is A, 3A, navy blue. The work is slightly different, the color combination, little difference in the leaf or maybe the flower design, hence I am showing you as 3A and 3B. It's a navy blue color. Just take the screenshot if you are interested. Beautiful navy blue, 3A. See the work closely. What wonderful work and so much of embroidery. In fact, I've used one of these as runners also, table runners, and it looks so beautiful. (3B). This is the full length of the shawl. This is also in navy, 3B 2450. Now black, 4A, 4A black. (2450), extremely rich work. Typical Kashmiri embroidery, typical design, but very smart look. 4B. This is more of red. The work is same for all the ones that I am showing you. Little idhar udhar, you can check out the video once again if you want to know. But all the color combinations are more or less similar. Little deep light, hence I am showing you whatever is available. This is 4B, black. 5, red. Lovely shade of red, no blacks. You can gift for weddings also, for yourself. Beautiful, beautiful color. Black, all the colors, the whites is also beautiful. All the colors are very pretty. This is in red. This is a different work in Kashmiri, and all this are thread work. See the back side. So good finish. So no question of doing any netting and all, nothing required. Okay, so now coming to, and these are very comfortable also. Number 6, 2450 mustard. Number 6 is mustard color. Seven, slightly different, extremely soft, very good quality in off-white corner butta, very elegant, off-white with beige border thread work. Very soft, very soft. It's a denim blue color. See the work. Another red. All 2450. This price is, yeah, same price. Even last year we had kept the prices same. Even this year we have not increased. Another very pretty color is this fawn color. 2450. So that's it for shawls. Actually these loads had come, but many got sold out from the store itself. Before I could do an episode, because we have been storing shawls, winter wear for the past 8-9 years. So those who know, they wait for our shawl stuffs, and then they've contacted us and then picked up from the store itself. So this is what is left. Now coming to product number 12, Pashmina saris. Patola print in Pashminas. First of all, extremely soft quality. These are printed Patola Pashmina. Price 5500, 5500. It's a turquoise blue color. Very soft, very comfortable, and not necessarily you have to wear it in winter. Now everywhere there is some AC, So just leaving the peak summer months, you can always wear these pashminas. This is in dark navy blue blouse piece. It has a self print, and this is the sari. Number 13, it's a red color. Again patola printed. 5500. Very smart and very comfortable. This is the traditional border which is always there in pashmina, other than you have the zari border pashminas. Product number 13, I remember around 8-9 years back I had sold pashmina for 1200. Just imagine where the price has soared. This is the blouse piece. Green, viridian green, again patola printed. Since these are very good quality pashmina, it's very skin friendly, number one. Number two is, many of you complain about the rui that comes out. So you've bought from some XYZ store and all. But since this is a different kind of polish that we do, number one. Number two is, these are the best quality pashmina. So that's the reason nothing will happen. Normal dry clean and sometimes polish. This is the blouse piece in red self print. These are so soft featherweight saris. Looks very elegant on bearing, and while you wear this, you don't need an extra shawl or anything. It's so comfortable, yet it will keep you slightly warm also. Number 15 is the mannequin wearing. It is a Mughal printed pashmina with a burgundy color pallu and blouse piece. The blouse piece will be of this color. This is the blouse piece color actually with the sari. This is product number 15, same price. It's an off-white color. Lovely sari. Loving the color combination and also the border. Now number 16, mustard florals. All new prints. Lovely rose florals with red blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. All the blouses will have a self print and the border also will have a self print. Now actual border is this. It is a woven textured border, but we have done an additional print in black to give it a different look. Just take the screenshot. It will be very helpful if you can give me options. First choice, second choice. It will be helpful. And then also you can visit the store. We have 2 branches in Kolkata if you are in Kolkata. If you are visiting 12 Jamin Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near the Baliganj railway station. We have the car park in front of the store. Sundays we are closed. And the other branch, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, which is near the Citizen Park. Sundays closed. The menswear collection, loads stock of dhotis and kurtas have come. For the wedding season and for the festive occasion, for party wears, ethnic kurtas and block printed dhotis, katha dhotis, jackets 5500 for this particular sari. Those are available. Menswear collection is available only in the Cornfield Road branch. And of course, we have the jewelries, the clutch bags, the dupattas, the blouses, ready-made blouses, and the tailoring department in both the branches. This is the blouse piece, black color, and the sari is in deep red. It's so comfortable and it's so flowy. See, it's so flowy. Look at me. The way it's twisting. I mean, it's so comfortable and the fall is really pretty. This is the pallu. 18 green, printed pashmina, all 5500 with blouse piece, self printed contrast blouse piece. This is the mustard blouse. Amazing print and very pretty. The border, it's traditional woven border along with a block print on this, and the designs prints are also very bright and gorgeous prints. Number 19, royal blue. With sea green color combination. Small prints all over, kalamkari print in royal blue with dark sea green, or you can see an emerald green blouse piece, again with a self print in the blouse. Please do take a minute to like, share and subscribe. Please recommend your friends if you feel it's worth it. And then there's the WhatsApp status. You can check for more options, more uploads. The Facebook page, the link is already provided. These will be uploaded in the Pashmina photo album. Number 20, Varli print. Rama green and mustard. It's so soft, really. And see the border, very interesting folk border. We'll have the mustard blouse piece also. (21) black. How can you not get a black pashmina? So black, here it is. It is with a batik print. Black and red. Red self-printed blouse. See against this kurta of mine, this is looking nice with the red blouse actually. Pallu. All pashmina prints are 5,500 rupees. This is a batik print And the last one in Pashmina, number 22, the same thing in red. And this will have a rust blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Now moving to jackets. Okay, now number 23. These are silk jackets, as you know, I've shown you in my previous jacket episode. Now this is a silk jacket quilted, both side you can use. The size is only what I'm mentioning. There is no extra size. The only that is available, I'll be mentioning you that. This has it is both side use. You can use this cotton kalamkari print in one side, and also see, this is one side, kalamkari cotton. This is the opposite side, which both are reversible. This can be used. And of course the silk blouse with pocket, silk jacket with pocket. And size is, this is 2500, price is 2500, and the size is XXL. Now standard XXL, those who wear XL as kurta should take double XL. This is double XL, so whatever is your kurta size, take a size bigger, since you will be wearing over this, and this is for quilting. There's some it becomes a size smaller. So if you are wearing a L size kurta, go for XL. If you are wearing a medium size kurta, go for large jacket. Okay, so just tell me your kurta size, I'll use take a size bigger. This is another one, a cotton one, so I'll come to this later. So this is number 23, size XXL, and the sizes are also written in the screenshot. Only those sizes are available. Other sizes are not available. Only those sizes are available. This is in large, but just check out this the description part, the number where the sizes available are mentioned. This is a onion pink color, beautiful shade of pink, silk jacket with, this is the inside print which can be used too. This is large size, means those who are wearing a medium kurta will have to go for a large jacket. Very smart with pocket. Lovely piece. This is large, but the sizes available, please check the screenshot. Number 2, this is number 25. It's an off-white color, creamish color, or you can say an ivory shade silk jacket. This particular piece size is XXL, but the available sizes kindly check out in the description screenshot part. This is the inside part of the jacket. Sometimes the prints keep changing, so but all the prints are very pretty. This is the pocket. It looks really very pretty on wearing. This is a very smart print. All silk jackets are all 2500. These are the new colors. Previously, I myself have the Rani color. So previously I had worn a Rani color, and I had shown an emerald green and a beige color, biscuit color. Now this time I'm showing you red. This is olive. I've shown you an off-white. I've showed you onion pink color, fuchsia color, beautiful shades. New colors have come. So this is an olive green. This is the printed inner, I mean the reversible part. This particular size is XL, but again, whatever sizes are available, it's already mentioned. If no size is written, that means that size is not available. Just check the size and then only order. 2500 for this. Okay, now this is again XL in mustard. All lovely shades, which has a bandhej inside block with this. Lovely mustard. It's a golden mustard color. Just wear a white top, jeans or a black pant or a skirt, a palazzo, and you will any dress, saris, anything. It has a multiple use. A new shade, a bright Firoza color. Lovely Firoza. With again a bandhej. This also white shirt, white pant and the just jacket. Or a full white skirt, a white dress, a chicken dress. What an amazing color combination this is. This particular piece is XL size. Extra large means large kurta will have to go for an extra large jacket. So this is 2500. This is product number 28. Now coming to the cotton ones. XXL. This particular piece. XXL, but again sizes please check. This is the inside part. This is reversible. This is both side cotton. That silk ones were outside silk, inside was cotton. Now this both side is cotton print. These are all Sanganari cotton print, rapid prints from Rajasthan. Now the cotton ones full sleeve is 2200. 2200 cotton ones full sleeve jacket. Beautiful baby pink color, strawberry pink and inside orange batik. Blue, very beautiful print in Sanganari print. 2200 for all cotton jackets. The prints keep changing. The indigo has a powder blue block printing inside and the upper part is indigo and white, means almost like navy and white small print. This is the inside print. All cotton full sleeves are 2200. Black, grey, black and grey. XL, but sizes again are mentioned. Please check the size and order. If there is no L in the description and you send this screenshot and sending L, no, it will not be available. So please check the sizes and then order. This is another beige color, biscuit color. This is a beautiful shade in large, biscuit color. Now coming to only two colors I have in this long jackets. Before that, let me show you the another print I have. I think the mannequin is wearing number 34. Okay, till 33 I showed and now coming to number 34. 2200. This is a grey color with a coral block print in Sanganari print. Grey and coral. The inside print will be in stripe. Grey and coral. This is 34. Now I have a beautiful long jacket in silk, really smart. This is the inside print. Navy color. Navy silk jacket, long length. You can also, just fold the sleeve and show the print and wear also. This look really nice also, very smart concept. And the price of this is XXL, double XL, and the price of the long jackets in silk are 2800. 2800 for the long jackets. The smaller ones, shorter ones are 2500. So I have blue and I have a black. Maybe the other black may have a different print inside, but both our inside print will be in black and white. I have another size which the inside print will be in black and white ikat. Now this is in black and white vegetable print, dabu print. Black silk long jacket, 2800. This pocket will be in the side pocket. Okay, these were in this front way. This is the side pocket. So this is product number 36. And lastly, the one that I'm wearing again, I love these Sanganari prints, so I'm wearing a Sanganari printed dress, long dress with lots of flares and pleats. Full long dress with full churi sleeves. Again, since I'm showing jackets, the front part is quilted. The upper part is slightly quilted. It has a side zip and it has sizes small, medium, large, extra large, and price is 2600. 2600 for the Sanganari printed dress. Full length dress. And the neck piece that I'm wearing, it's an Afghani stone setting exquisite neck piece, very unusual. 2990 is for the neck piece. It doesn't have any earring, it's just the chunky bold neck piece which you can wear it with lot of westerns, ethnic Indo-Western, western dresses, skirts, and of course saris. This is 2990 is for the neck piece. Prominent, very pretty filigree work in Afghani jewelry, antique, and the dress, as I said, is 2600, sizes available. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.